Hello everyone, this is Mansa Gantagani. My topic name is Software Engineering Waterfall Model. Sequential phases. Each phase is completed before moving on to the next with minimal backtracking documentation. Through documentation at each stage, ensure clarity and trackability. Structure. The waterfall model provides a well-defined framework for software development. Requirement gathering, understanding user needs, defining functionalities, and documenting requirements. Design, create a detailed system design including architectures, data models, and user interfaces. Implementation, developing the actual software code, ensuring adherence to the design specification. Testing, through testing of the software to identify and fix defects. Deployment, releasing the software to users, ensuring proper installation and configuration. Maintenance, ongoing support, bug fixes, and enhancement to ensure software stability. Advantages of waterfall model. Structured approach provides a clear and organized framework for development. Documentation emphasis promotes comprehensive documentation for trackability and clarity. Suitable for simple projects, well suitable for smaller projects with well defined requirement. Limitations of the waterfall model. Limited flexibility, changes in requirements can be difficult and costly to implement. Risk of delay, long development cycle, and lack of early feedback can lead to delays. Difficult to manage complexity, may struggle to handle complex projects with unveiling requirements. Practice for waterfall projects. Clear requirement through user stories, acceptance criteria, and documentation. Detailed design, comprehensive system design including architecture, data models, and user interfaces. Rigorous testing, execute comprehensive unit integration and system testing to ensure software quality. Communication, effective communication and collaboration amongst team members and stakeholders.